think that's an M4. Got toasted, man. Don't try to pull on me, man. How many times I gotta say you don't pull on me like that, man? Look at this little baby zoom. You see this little baby orange thing zoom? Which when it zooms, it smells really bad. Exhaust fumes. But he's still zooming. Understand what it means. Man, I want to listen to Tupac so badly right now. Tupac. Street triple, Triumph, Street triple RR or something like that. Street triple R. Not my style thing. Blue thing. Gucci gang. Them hoes my style though, right? It's a 300. Be a thug. This thing ain't charged. Plus I got earplugs in my ears, so I would have to raise the volume like crazy. Plus the exhaust is very loud. It's one problem after another. Ooh, auto rate. You guys see it? You guys will see it because this is a left turn, so that car is gonna pass first. Mustang's on his phone, so he don't know what happening. Auto rate. I don't know. I'm just not a fan of the auto rate. Some of them are really nice. Majority of them aren't though. Picture me rolling in my 500 Benz. I got enough for you homies that don't need to be friends. It's too cold to remember anything right now. I think I've seen this, not this exact car, but this model on TikTok. Some dude had it and really souped it out or something, and he was like, my girlfriend thinks I drive an old Nissan, and then he shows this car all like colored matte black or something, or gloss black with like LEDs and all sorts of Gucci things, and I think it's that, I'm not sure, I really don't care, because it's not pretty, and I only chase pretty, boys or girls, it's all about pretty things, is what it be. Plus you got that mid-range, no, that's an M series. I thought it was a mid-range Corvette popping up on us, but no, it's an M something. Man, I really want to learn the Spanish, but at the same time, I don't want to learn the Spanish. M4? Yeah. It's a love-hate relationship. Nah, we don't turn here. I got a specific place that I make my Uis. Chop Suey. I remember that song Chop Suey. It goes really fast, like get it up my bed, make it up my head. I don't know, something like that. But one thing I remember is that song has a verse called like, and angels deserve to die. When angels deserve to die. And I remember watching that, and I was like, that doesn't seem like a good song. While Corvette dude was staring. It made me feel so bad because I was young and I heard that song and I was like, it just made me feel so bad. I used that line, angels deserve to die. I'm like, that just sounds wrong, man. If angels do exist, they supposed to be some pure-hearted stuff, right? You telling them they deserve to die? It just seems wrong. I never understood that about rock songs. They're so dark. Like, I understand with rap songs, it's all girls, ass, you know, smashing, drugs. But it's it's nothing bad like, hey dude, let's, you know, turn down the lights, let's slit some wrists. I don't know, it's nothing like that. But it's never dark like that. Rap songs are never dark like that. You might have some people who go a little bit dark. Like, what is it? Triple X Tentacion, who used to go dark sometimes. Rock songs and stuff, they go too dark. I don't listen to a couple of rock songs. I don't listen to any specific bands or people or anything. We're all about that rap game. Got game. Ain't nothing else we finna listen to. Why the constant breaks? Dude, dude, I love being in this lane. If anything happens, I can just go like that and get into the yellow. Well, not for very long because this thing ends, but still, like, dude, why are you braking? The car in front of you has so much room. God, I need to give these people a lesson on how to drive. I feel like if you are a rider, you're a really good driver. Riding makes you a good driver. You become so much more aware of your surroundings and whatnot. You become a much better driver. So if any of you guys be lacking on driving, try riding. But if you suck at riding too, then you're not really going anywhere. But don't ride anymore if you ass. But overall, if you're a good rider, then you can boost your driving skills. The awareness, things like that. You care so much more about when you're in the lane. You care so much more about awareness, concentration. What exactly are you doing on the wheel? This is a place where I get too, I ease in too much. I think it was an R3 on the other side. I get it too relaxed, even though this is the part you're supposed to be. This is not a good lane to be in. Don't be like me. This is not a good lane to be in. But for me, I like this lane. It's one step closer to seeing booty on sidewalks. So I enjoy this lane. Whatever gets me closer to girls, that's where I want to be at. This lane gets me a step closer to girls. I'll take the risk of being in this lane in case somebody pops out. Finna drop that, pop that. How do you want it? How do you feel? Coming up as a homie in the fast lane. What is it? Minivan? I'm sorry, I gotta teach you a lesson. Ooh! I feel like you heard my the one in the back. But the barefootness is something that I can't allow the barefootness. Yeah. That's nice. Yeah, I can't allow the barefootness. That's kind of gross. So I'm sorry, girl. You gotta pass. You gotta continue on this life without knowing that your love and my love was never able to meet your love because you walking barefoot with them crusty ass feet everywhere. I ain't finna live that kind of life with you. Nimbus, for one goddamn second, could you please stop screaming? Actually, I would like to be in the lane so I can see the Trump supporters. Nah, I'm just hoping they have one of their flags out and I can like go through it all sexily, like my helmet goes through it, like those L'Oreal commercials. I kind of want that to happen. She's staring right in my soul, dog. That hoe was staring right in my soul. I had to give her the nod. I was like, homie. Oh, they're recording something. Oh man, someone's smoking. Who's smoking out here, dog? Oh, my tummy is grumbling, is ready for food. Heard an engine. I'm not sure if it was me, the other guy on the other side, or somebody behind me, but I think it was just me. So many times I be hearing myself and I'm like, who, where, and it's Nimbus. Alright, so I think we're gonna head back now because I'm feeling good about the ride. Don't want it to be a little too long, and I also got a lot of other stuff to do channel related at home, aka build series, wrapping stuff that's happening. I don't know when this video will come out, but at the moment we have a lot of stuff that we're working on, so I would like to continue working on that stuff. There's a lot going on in our lives, man. Good stuff, not bad stuff, good stuff. Always gotta keep looking back to see if we got a homie popping up on, like, you know, a Lambo or Ferrari or something like that, and they don't just blaze past me and then I'm playing the catch-up game, man. We ain't about that life, we're about the mayonnaise life. That's so stupid, I take that back. By the way, ketchup for life, I'm not that big fan of mayonnaise. Mixed mayonnaise, yes, but not stone cold mayonnaise. I'm more of a mustard kind of guy rather than mayonnaise or mayonnaise, and then ketchup overall, but booty overall above that. This guy's here again. S1000Rr, the 2017 gray and black edition. I think it's 2017 or 2018. I think it's 2018. My nose is basically just, it's gone. The nostrils, they're gone. The wind comes in straight. Even though I move the helmet up and down, the wind comes straight up my nose. And it just cleared the entire nose, and it's all cold, and the walls just not be what they should be. Moist, they're all just like, eh. I ain't feeling it. We got some cakes? No. Come on! See, that's what I hate about winter. You don't see girls out that much. I mean, the guys you see too, nobody's rocking shirtlessness. It's all just a bunch of dudes, you know, covered up with jackets and whatnot. Dude, look at me so I can give you the wave. I'm out here to spread love, not hate. Sir, just look at me. I'm caught as OCD. It's killing me. There you go. Thank you. now I can live my life. I knew that I spread love, not hate to him. And he'll remember me as a boy who got a gun, gonna give him, who fingered him. I gotta keep talking because it's very, very cold, so I got to keep talking. Shorty, you should have went, man. I would have held up traffic for you. One of my happiest moments is when I see like a Lambo on the left turn and then making a U-turn and then they gun it. I'm like, oh yeah. What is that, a baby Grom? What the hell is that? At least the dude's got a helmet on though. It's a baby Grom. And he didn't even acknowledge me. Alright, the nephew though. Tried to speed, couldn't get me. I think that's an M4. Got toasted, man. Don't try to pull on me, man. How many times I gotta say it? Don't pull on me like that, man. Don't pull on me. And if you pull and I pull and I take you down, acknowledge it, man. Acknowledge it. This camera could have caught it. If not, you guys can look in the side mirrors. If the side mirrors didn't catch it, you gotta take my word for it, man. You guys know me. I don't pull unless you pull. I don't give an F if you went M4 or not, man. Pull on me, I'm gonna pull on you. And then the whole not acknowledging it either, never understood that either, man. Show some respect. We're both on these streets. You got 4, I got 2. I earned that respect, man. I earned it. That is one quiet M4. I'll give it that. It is one quiet M4. Man, it's such a beautiful day today. What lane you gonna choose? Such a beautiful day. It smells so nice. It's kinda wet in the air. Ah, it smells so good. Got the visor up, feeling that cold air. It's just really, really nice, man. But with the wind being so goddamn cold, can't keep the visor up too long, cause I start crying, man. I start crying. But every ride has to come to an end, just like this one. I really want to go clown a bit more, ride around, well, not clown, just ride around a bit more, but we're gonna call it a day. These batteries are about to die anyways. It's just when these cold, nice weathers with sitting on a warm bike, you don't want to go home, you just want to keep riding. But we got other stuff to do, and we'll come out, hopefully God willing, tomorrow and come catch these streets again. Until next time, this is Riding Insane. Remember to subscribe only because you love me, because I love you, and I'm out. Peace.